Today we have for you a 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL, known as the Pagoda. This one is one owner family vehicle its entire life, so it's got very well documented history, nice paint in and out, and we're going to take it for a ride today, so stay tuned while we warm it up. Alrighty, there we go. We got our nice 280 SL. It is a convertible with the hardtop on in place right now, but it's a little chilly outside, so we will forego the convertible top, although it is in excellent condition. Like I said, it's one family owner. Interior, for the most part, is all original. It would be a great car anywhere you wanted to take it, especially on a nice summer day when you can put the top down. Cruise around. You got the classic Pagoda styling. We will let it warm up, and we will, as usual, hit the farm road, some twisty roads, curvaceous roads, as my colleague likes to call them. And we'll be back to you shortly. All right, car's nice and warm. Here we are. Cruise down the farm road. Accelerates nice for a 50-plus-year-old car. Has nice brakes. Everything brakes straight. Drives straight. I do really like the fact that it's a one-owner car. It really, means that they kept it up over the years with the servicing and the maintenance. Shows that it wasn't driven as a daily, used on special occasions, beautiful days. So the car really shows that everything inside is really in good condition. And the styling, you can't beat the styling. It's about as classic as the Mercedes gets with this. Drive, very smooth, nice steering. Very typical with these cars. And we'll do this all day long. Alright, about to do some drive-bys for you. Faster run on the farm road. Nice car, like I said, drives straight, brakes nicely, accelerates very well, and there's not too much more to say. It's, if you're looking for a really nice one family owned 280 SL, classic color combo, you're looking at it. So if you have any questions, give us a call or come on down. If not, see you out there on the road.